Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Shrinking Crocs is easy if you have a dryer and 2 wet towels. The heat in the dryer loosens the materials and shrinks them. And the wet towels moisten the materials at the right proportion to make things work.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can you shrink Crocs in hot water? Though heat helps to shrink the material of the Crocs, but this is not the case with hot water. Hot water will do just the opposite of dry heat. Hot water will instead loosen the material of the Crocs and will stretch the Crocs and make them loose-fitting.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Crocs should not fit like other shoes. They should fit very loosely. The sides of your foot should not really touch the sides of the shoe. Your toes should never make contact with the front of the shoe.
Take our lead.
Yes, Crocs will shrink. Too much heat, whether from the sun or the dryer, can shrink or warp your footwear. That's why the brand only recommends air drying all of its shoes. So if you're drying those shoes in the heat of summer, make sure to air dry the Croslite clogs inside rather than outside.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.